Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact data range and the axis spans. This matters because scale depends on both. Once done, note data minimum and maximum and mark any outliers so they don't skew the scale. Next, choose how many major ticks you want. 5 to 10 is common, because tick count balances readability versus precision. Make sure to pick units that fit the data. Decimals, percentages, or currency can change rounding rules. Begin calculating span and tentative tick interval now. You now compute the numeric span for each axis by subtracting minimum from maximum. This gives the real range you must cover. Then divide that span by your chosen tick count to get a raw interval. This is the starting point for a readable scale. Once you have the raw interval, round it to a nice number, 1, 2, 5, or powers of 10, so ticks land on clean values. This reduces cognitive load and makes the graph easier to read. You finish by snapping axis and points to multiples of the rounded interval so ticks align and the plot looks balanced. Adjust min or max outward if needed to include all points. Then apply final tick positions and set label formatting. Choose decimals, percentages, or currency to match context. If labels overlap or crowding occurs, reduce the tick count, increase plot margins, or rotate labels to improve legibility. One troubleshooting tip. If unexpected scaling appears, recheck raw span for hidden outliers or unit mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.